This dryer has a secret. It might look like any other Whirlpool stackable dryer, but it actually uses a completely different method of drying clothes. It's called a heat pump dryer, and if you've never heard of it, you're in good company. Most Americans haven't because it's not on sale in the US yet. It's coming the fourth quarter of 2014, and LG is also coming out with one. But heat pump dryers are already very common in Europe. That's because energy costs are a lot higher in Europe, and heat pump dryers save energy. The way they do that is that they dry clothes in a closed system. So they take the same air that's being used to dry clothes and then put it in through something that basically works similar to an air conditioner. Use that in order to dry your clothes. The way that a conventional dryer that we have in the United States works is that it heats up air that it takes in and then it vents it out. So hot, moist air is going out and cool air is going in. That's not very energy efficient at all. With a closed loop, you're not worrying about all of that air that's being vented out and all of that heat that's being wasted. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? And there is one. Heat pump dryers take a little bit longer than a conventional dryer to get clothes dry. And Whirlpool knows that Americans don't want to wait for clothes to get done, so they added the option to engage an additional heating element inside the dryer, which uses a little more energy, but it also gets clothes done faster. So if you're in a hurry, you can put it on speed and you'll have a heating element that turns on and dries your clothes faster. If you're not in a hurry, but you don't want to wait very long, you can choose balanced, which uses a combination of the heat pump and a little bit of the onboard heater. Or you can choose eco, which is not only the most eco-friendly option and uses the least amount of energy, but it's also the most gentle on your clothes because it's not heating them up so much that might damage them. Another benefit of this machine is that because it keeps all of the air inside, it's ventless, which means you don't need to worry about one of these. And there aren't a lot of full-size ventless dryers on the market. This one is full size. So if you're looking for a full-size ventless dryer, this heat pump dryer may do the trick. And if you're looking for something that saves energy, there's nothing better than a heat pump dryer.